Hello everybody. Today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one comes from Locking Paul. It's the 40 cal Smith N DUBYA. It is his number 3 lock. He's mummied. There's the lock. Let's throw it in the vise and try to get in today. Hope everybody's having a great day, a great week. Get this guy lined up. Come on, focus. Focus. It's hard to focus. Come on. That'll have to do. Alright, I'm going to use this custom-made 60 thousandths. I believe it's 60 thousandths. I don't have a micrometer. But it fits the risers pretty good. Nice and tight. Stays in there all by itself. Alright, let's give it a go. See what Locking Paul has in store for us. Alright. Click from 5. Nothing on 4. Let's see. Don't have a whole lot of feedback, a little bit of crunching. Yeah, I'm not feeling a whole lot of feedback on this guy. Five feels set. 4. Try 1 here. Let's try counterclockwise. Yeah, just not getting a whole lot of clicking. One, got a little click. 3, 4. Boy, this is a pretty tough lock there. Locking Paul, nice job. Super light tension. Heavy tension wasn't giving me nothing. Okay. What has he got inside here? This is pretty amazing so far. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing to report. This lock is pretty quiet. Yeah, for a Weiser, this guy's tough. All right. 5, 4, drop something. Boy, if I can't pick a wiser, I shouldn't be picking it at all. Okay, being quiet because I'm trying to read this lock, and it's not saying much. All right, 6 minutes in. Now we're getting some clicks, little slight rotation. We should try a different pick. Try one of the new SS Dev we got from Bronx. Thank you, Bronx. We'll try this guy out. I don't know what's going on here. Click from 3. Click from 4. Nope. Go back to the gym. Going clockwise. All right. Let's get down to business here. Try to pick this like a freaking lock picker. Some clicks from 3 and 2. I got some counter rotation, but I think I overset. Yeah, overset. Being very careful, precise, and still not a whole lot of talking going on. Oh, we're open. Open on one. Maybe I wasn't hitting one. Man. Welcome, Paul. You're on your way to becoming a great lock builder. This was an awesome lock. Alright. Let's grab the pin and tray out. Whew, had me sweating there for a minute. Awesome. Try to get this camera set up. Alright, oh, I got the Vero. Polished that guy up, picked him open. Give it another go on the polish. Yeah, that's how a Vero should look. Shiny. Nice and shiny. Okay. Let me zoom out here. Alright, down to brass tacks. And that guy's not gonna fit. So we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Can't believe how long this lock took me. Wonderful job, locking Paul. Wonderful job. Alright. Get a shim. See if we can get that shim in there. Oh, it went in like clockwork. That shim out. And let's put this guy here. Get these keys out. Oh, get the old foil tape. Foil tape. Alright. There's the bitting. Pretty good bitting. Dun-dun-dun. Everything's working smooth. Dump these guys out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Stock plug. No threading, no counter milling. Let's get these guys lined up. Alright. Now we'll go look in the Bible. One is a standard. Oh. Lost that spring. Revealed my secret shim supply stash. Alright. 2. Another standard. Steel spring. Oh. Number 3 was a standard. Oh, I'm losing the camera. Shoot. Stupid homemade camera base. Need to get a tripod or something. Alright. Go for 5. Standard. Can't believe how hard this lock was with all these standard drivers. Steel spring. And wouldn't you know it, another standard. Wait. That was... Now I've made a mess. There we go. They're all standard, don't really matter. And another steel spring. Awesome. Alright. That's that. Let's go one more time and try to look at these pins up close and personal. Nice. Alright. Looks like we got a a serrated, double serrated, a small spool, another like mushroom tiny spool. Here's another another slightly mushroomed serrated, and here is a double serrated. All the drivers were standards, and you got all steel springs. That was Lock and Paul's Lock. Thank you, Lock and Paul, for making this and sending it out. Appreciate it. Great job on the lock. Can't wait to pick another one. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. And as always, be well and behave.